Hi, I'm Chris with Suburban and Eric Brand. Today I am here to introduce the Suburban Pizza Oven. The Suburban Pizza Oven is an accessory for and sits on top of the Suburban 18-inch griddle, which is sold separately from the pizza oven. What you want to do is you want to pull the griddle top off and of course make sure it's not hot. And then the pizza oven has feet that are designed to fit perfectly into the little holes on top of the griddle. The pizza oven comes with a 13-inch by 13-inch pizza stone that is removable for easy cleaning. When you are assembling the griddle or anytime you're putting the stone back in, be sure that the stone is nesting correctly inside the griddle, and it should sit flush with the rim. It features a thermometer up on top so you can monitor the heat and manage the heat as need be. The Suburban Pizza Oven also comes with a carry bag that is handy for stowing. And it has zippers that open all the way to make it real easy to get the pizza oven inside. That's the Suburban Pizza Oven that goes atop the Suburban 18-inch griddle. Makes great pizzas of any kind. The family will love it. Thanks for watching and have a great time out in the great outdoors.